If your heart races for no reason or you're not able to sleep at night, you call it anxiety, but let me tell you a secret. It is also energy. All the emotions that you feel is also in your energy body. It is also in energy. Hello and namaste everybody. I am Kanchi Shah, an energy healer, a meditation coach, and I create a lot of content around Theosophical studies. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my very first YouTube video. Here we are going to talk about how you can solve anxiety through energy. And we are going to decode anxiety into two major aspects. Let us dive into the first one, the physical aspect. Anxiety is basically the fear of unknown, something that you're not aware about. And how you can overcome this? By facing your fears, right? Why do people say this? Let us understand. If you have a pot, you plant a seed in the pot. If you want a plant to grow, you add water, you add fertilizer, you add sunlight to it, and it will naturally grow. If it does not grow, you see what is not working out and then you adjust it, and then eventually it will grow, right? The same goes with the seeds of fear. If you're not facing your fear, you're basically nurturing it or protecting it. Once you start facing your fears, you uproot these seeds right from the soil, through the roots. The problem with anxiety is that we don't know what we are afraid of. And once we do know what we are afraid of, it is very easy to solve this. So whenever the next time anxiety sets in, use this 4-step technique. Hold, stop, breathe, and analyze. So whenever a situation is happening, hold. Mentally pull yourself away from the situation, breathe. Once you start breathing, your nervous system starts to calm down. And once you are calmed down, then you can analyze. Once you start analyzing, you understand what triggered you in a situation. A situation will never arise if there is no trigger. Put your finger on the trigger, and once you are able to understand this trigger, anxiety will convert into fear. And fear is easy to solve because fear is known. Anxiety is not known. Let us dive into the second aspect, the Theosophical aspect. In this book written by C.W. Leadbeater, Man Visible and Invisible, he has written on how our energy body consists of a lot of emotions, and these emotions in the energy body are represented by colors. So our energy body is filled with a lot of colors. When fear or anxiety sets in, this entire energy body is filled with a livid grey mist. This grey mist separates itself into horizontal lines on various levels. And these horizontal lines will start vibrating in a great turbulence around. While this is vibrating, all the colors of our energy body are flushed out, leaving the energy body like a big grey mass that quivers like jelly. This is very difficult to represent in an illustrative format, but he tried his very best, and this is how it looks like. When clairvoyants see this, this looks indescribably ghastly, isn't it? All of this will pass away soon, but whatever happens in all the other bodies has a residue in the physical body. So when all of this is happening in the energy body, when anxiety or panic sets into the physical body, everything starts to shut down. Your senses start to shut down, your heart rate or your pulse rate starts increasing. It is because there is no energy left in the energy body. How will your physical body react? So the best solution to overcome anxiety or fear is breathing. Because when we breathe, we don't only give oxygen to our physical body, but we also give energy or prana, that is the best food to the energy body. If you want to know the correct ways on how you can breathe, I have attached a YouTube video. Just check it. If you like this video, do subscribe. Tell me how you overcome your anxiety, and do comment down below on what are the other emotions you want me to break down. Thank you and Atma Namaste.